When you first log on to the CustomerConnect portal, if you have a current balance on your account, you will be able to select the Pay Bill option right from the dashboard screen. If you have multiple open invoices on your account, you may select which invoices you would like to pay. If you would like to make a generalized payment, you may select Pay Other Amount and enter the amount you wish to pay. For customers with more than one location tied to the same billing email address in their account, you will be able to see invoice items for all of your locations. When you are in the Make a Payment screen, you will see a location number next to each eligible invoice that can be paid. If you do not currently have any credit card or ACH information on your account, you may add a new credit card or new ACH information to make your payment. If you have credit card or ACH information saved in your account, you may select which method of payment you would like to use. Lastly, you will be able to review your payment information before selecting I agree to the payment authorization terms. Once you review your information and agree to the authorization terms, you may submit your payment. If you do not have any current open invoices on your account, you will not be able to select the Pay Bill option from the dashboard screen. If you have renewal services, such as carpenter ant coverage or certain termite coverages that are due to renew soon, you will see the Renewals Balance section on the Account Balance on the dashboard screen. While you may not be able to select Pay Bill from the dashboard screen, you are still eligible to make a renewal payment for these services. Select the Menu option in the upper left-hand portion of the screen and select Make a Payment from the drop-down menu. The Make a Payment screen will show renewal services eligible to be renewed. If you have no current open invoices on your account and you have no renewal services that are due to be renewed soon, you will be unable to make a payment on your account. To view the billing history in your account, select the menu in the upper left-hand portion of the dashboard screen and hover over the My Account submenu. From there, select My Billing. The My Billing portion of the CustomerConnect portal allows you several options regarding the billing in your account. On the left-hand portion of the screen, you may add or remove methods of payment from your account. To view your current methods of payment, click the plus icon next to Your Payment Methods. To remove existing credit card information, click the red trash can icon next to any card you wish to remove. To add a new payment method, select the Add New Payment Method button. Please be advised, when adding a new payment method to your account, selecting the Use this card to auto bill on all locations options will place this method of payment on auto pay for any recurring services you have within your accounts. You may toggle specific services on and off of AutoPay within the My Services section of the CustomerConnect portal. For more information regarding services, conditions, and materials, On the Customer Connect portal, please visit vikingpest.com and navigate to the Resources section to view our full playlist of Customer Connect portal videos. Or stay tuned to the very end of this video for a quick link to our playlist and specifically our Services, Conditions, and Materials video. On the right-hand side of the My Billing section, you will see any recent payment information with a hyperlink to the invoice this payment was applied to. You may view the inspection report of this particular service, or if you have a current balance on your account, you may click the View Your Statement option to download a PDF copy of your current statement. In the Unpaid Services section, you will see any open invoices currently on your account, as well as any renewal services that are due to be renewed. To make a payment on any of these services, select the checkbox next to which invoices or renewals you would like to pay. Once you have selected your items, click the Make a Payment option just under the Unpaid Services. If you have any pending payments that are in the process of being completed, you will see them listed in the Pending Payments section. To view the invoice that this payment was applied to, select the invoice number hyperlink next to that payment. This will download a PDF copy of that invoice. The bottom section of the My Payment screen will show the payment history within your account. You may filter payments by selecting the filter on the right-hand side, which will allow you to search for payments that have been processed within the past 30, 60, or 90 days, or up to 1 year. If you have questions on payments that are more than 1 year old, please contact our Customer Loyalty Center. You may email us at customerservice@vikingpest.com or call us at 1-800-618-BUGS. That's 1-800-618-2847. Thank you for being a Viking Termite and Pest Control customer. For more information on services, conditions, and materials, please click here. To access a playlist of all Customer Connect portal videos, please click here.